In this video, I am going to teach you how to convert binary number to decimal number. As you know, binary number is a combination of ones and zeros and it has a base 2. So, to convert a binary number to a decimal number, we will use the following method. So, first of all, we are going to multiply each digit present in the binary number by a power of 2. So, what will be the power of 2? As you know that binary number is a type of positional number system. So, the power of 2 for the integer part will be 0, 1, 2 and so on from right hand side to the left hand side. And if your binary number has a fractional part, for that part the power of 2 will be -1, -2 and so on from left hand side to the right hand side. So, for the integer part, power starts from 0 from right to left, and for the fractional part, the power starts from -1 from left to right. After completing the multiplication, finally we will add all the numbers we get to get our decimal number. Now let's see a demonstration and example. So what we have a binary number as 1101.10. So 1101 is our integer part and 10 is our fractional part. So for the integer part, we will multiply each digit by a power of 2 and the power of 2 will be 0 for this one, 1 for this, 2 for this and 3 for this. And for the fractional part, the power of 2 will be -1 here and -2 here. So let's make it clear with the procedure. So first of all, this one, the first one is multiplied by 2 with a power of 3. Then we will use an addition symbol, and then this one, the next one, will be multiplied by 2 which has a power of 2. So here the 3, then the 2. Next, this 0 will be multiplied by a 2 which has a power of 1. So this 0 is also used, and you can notice that between each multiplication I use the additional symbol because finally we have to add all the numbers we get. Then we have one number left for the integer part, this one. So for this it will be also written like this and the power of these two will be 0. So our integer part of complete, and as I have said earlier, the power of 2 for the integer part will be 0 onwards from the right hand side to the left hand side. Now let's move on to the fractional part. For the fractional part, first we have this one. So once again we will write like this, 1 into 2, and the power of this first 2 in the fractional part is -1. So this is taken. Now the last digit of our binary number, that is 0. So it is also written like the previous ones, and the power of this portion is -2. So for the fractional part, the power starts from -1 and it goes on from the left hand side to the right hand side. So that is the arrangement. Next, the simple thing, we will have to calculate this, all this, and we will get our next step result. So this is our next step result. So 2 cube leads us to 8, 2 square leads us to 4, 2 to the power 1 leads us to 2. Now 2 to the power 0. Power of any number when it is 0, the answer is always 1. So now it is 2 to the power 0. So the number we get is 1. Now 2 to the power minus 1. 2 to the power minus 1 leads us to this half. And then there is 2 to the power minus 2. So 2 to the power, when we write 2 to the power minus 2, that means it is equals to 1 by 2 square. So that means 1/4. So this portion is also solved. Now the next step will be multiply these numbers with the binary digits. So these 8, 4, 2, 1, half and 1/4, these are the power of 2, the simplification of the power of 2. So now we will multiply first these numbers with the respective binary digits. So you will get the next stage result. So whenever you multiply 1 with any number, you will get the same number back, and when you will multiply 0 with any number, you will get a 0. So now for this fraction, let's make it to the decimal fraction, and now it is multiplied by 0, so your answer will be 0. Now one step remained, that is to add all these numbers. So whenever you add all these numbers, you will get 13.5. So your final answer will be 1101.10 is converted to binary number to decimal number as 13.5. So that is your final answer. I hope you understand this process. That's all.